sitting right across from me, but it feels like miles away. There's a silence in between everything we couldn't say. I'm reaching out for something real, but your hands don't feel the same. Like you're here but not with me, and I don't know who to blame. I'm scared to ask the truth out loud, but I can feel it breaking now. Are you still here, or are you already gone? Am I holding on to something that's been over all along? Do you still feel anything when you look at me? Or am I loving someone who doesn't see me anymore? I replay the little things, trying to find where it changed. Was it something that I missed, or did we slowly drift away? You used to say my name like it meant everything to you. Now it sounds so different, like a stranger breaking through. I don't know how to let it go if I don't know what I'm holding. Are you still here, or are you already gone? Am I holding on to something that's been over all along? Do you still feel anything when you look at me? Or am I loving someone who doesn't see me anymore? If I ask you, will you lie, or just look away this time? I'd rather hear the truth than stay in something slowly fading. Are you still here, or just a memory now? Am I the only one still trying to figure this